Dear students, today in this lecture I will introduce the properties of adjoint of matrix, and also I will explain some of the basic questions which were asked in previous year exams. Let's consider a matrix A, which is a square matrix, and I am defining the cofactor of the matrix A is B. Then the adjoint of the matrix A is given by adj of A equal to B transpose. That is, if we know the cofactor matrix for a square matrix A, then its transpose equal to the adjoint of the given matrix A. We know that for a non-singular matrix A, the inverse of the given matrix is given by A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of the given matrix A. That is, for a non-singular matrix, that is determinant A not equal to 0, for that matrix we can define its inverse, A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. From this equation, we can find a property by left cancellation. That is, we are multiplying the given equation by a matrix A. It is A into A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. We know that for any matrix A into A inverse equal to the identity matrix I. So I equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Cross multiplying, so determinant of A into the identity matrix I equal to A into adjoint of A. That is, from this line we can find a property, that is A into adjoint of the given matrix A equal to determinant of the given matrix into the identity matrix for the same order. And this is the first property. You should have to remember this property. And there will be questions by using this property. Let's see a question from this portion. This question asked where, if A is a square matrix of order 3 and given that determinant A equal to 2, then they were asked to find A into adjoint of A equal to. It is given that for option, we know that from the first property, A into adjoint of the given matrix A equal to determinant of the matrix into the identity matrix. Here the matrix of order 3, that is 3 by 3 matrix, and they are given the determinant equal to 2. Therefore, by using this property, we can find A into adjoint of A equal to 2 into the identity matrix of order 3. Therefore, the answer for these questions will become 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0 and 0, 0, 2. The option is A. For a square matrix A, we can define adjoint of A equal to determinant of the given matrix into its inverse, A inverse. So, if we need to find adjoint of A, then we will replace this adjoint of A with the determinant A into A inverse. That is, adjoint of A equal to adjoint of determinant of A into A inverse. We know that for any matrix, its adjoint equal to its determinant into its inverse. So here the corresponding matrix is determinant of A into A inverse, and its adjoint equal to the determinant of the given matrix determinant of A into A inverse into its inverse. We know that the A is an n by n matrix. So if you are multiplying with a constant determinant of A, To take it outside, it will become determinant of A raised to n into determinant of A inverse. Here also the determinant of A is constant. So if we take outside, it will become determinant of A, the whole inverse, into A inverse, the whole inverse. We know that determinant of A inverse equal to determinant of A inverse equal to determinant of A, the whole inverse, or equal to 1 by determinant of A. If we combine these two terms, it will become determinant of A raised to n minus 1 into determinant of A raised to minus 1 into A inverse, the whole inverse will become A. Therefore, the total answer will become determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into the given matrix A. So, for any matrix, the adjoint of the given matrix equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into A. This is a second property, and this also you should have to remember for the exams. Discuss a question from the same property. They are given, the given matrix A is a 3-rowed square matrix. That is, the order of the given matrix is 3. And also they are given that determinant of A equal to 3. They were asked to find adjoint of the given matrix. 4 options are given. We know that by using this property, adjoint of A for a square matrix of order n is given by determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into A. For these questions, they were given that the order of the matrix is 3. So by applying this formula, we can find adjoint of A equal to determinant of A raised to 3 minus 2 into the given matrix A, which is equal to determinant of A into A, which is equal to 3 times A. So the correct option for this question is 3A. So here we define the second property as adjoint of A for a square matrix of order n is given by determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into A. So if they asked to find determinant of adjoint of A, then we have to find the determinant of the matrix determinant of A raised to n minus 2 into A. Here determinant of A raised to n minus 2 is a constant and A is a n by n matrix. We know that if K is a constant and A is a square matrix of order n by n, then determinant of K into A equal to K raised to n into determinant of A. We know this property. Here K is a constant. Likewise, here the constant is determinant of A raised to n minus 2 and A is a square matrix of order n. So if you have to take the constant outside, then it will become determinant of A raised to n minus 2, the whole raised to n into determinant of A, which is equal to determinant of A, the whole raised to n into n minus 2 into determinant of A raised to 1, which is equal to determinant of A raised to n square minus 2n plus 1, which is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1 the whole square. So if they ask to find the determinant of adjoint of A, which is given by determinant of A raised to n minus 1 the whole square. And this is the third property. It is also important for different competitive exams. Dear students, they are given a question from the third property. It is given that A is a square matrix of order 3 and also given that the determinant of the given matrix A is 2, they were asked to find determinant of adjoint of A square. We know that determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1 the whole square. Instead of A, they were asked to find adjoint of A square. They were asked to find the determinant of adjoint of A square. So we can replace the given matrix A with A square. So it will become determinant of A square the whole raised to n minus 1 the whole square. We know that determinant of AB equal to determinant of A into determinant of B, or determinant of A square equal to determinant of A into determinant of A. So by using that property, we can find the determinant of A square raised to n minus 1 the whole square as determinant of A into determinant of A into. So by using that property, we can find determinant of A square raised to n minus 1 the whole square as determinant of A into determinant of A raised to n minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 2 into 2 raised to n minus 1. Here the given order is 3, therefore 3 minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 4 raised to 2 square, which is equal to 4 raised to 4, or 2 square the whole raised to 4, which is equal to 2 raised to 8. That is the correct option for this question is 2 raised to 8.